This past August, the Center for Energy Conservation and Advanced Manufacturing offered a new program at MATC's Oak Creek campus as part of the School of Technology and Applied Sciences.
There's controls for heating and cooling systems in every building. And it's a big issue because we have a lot of complicated technology today and it has to somehow be controlled. These control systems that the technicians are working on are necessary for that, and it's in all the buildings around us. Automated Building Systems is a program, one-year diploma, that's set up to give people the basics for controlling buildings temperature-wise and for air quality-wise, so people are comfortable in their space. This is one of the field controllers, and a field controller is typically dedicated to one or two pieces of equipment. So in this case, it's dedicated to the air handler, and we're able to make the connection on the laptop to this Bluetooth device. And then that allows us to go and grab the program off of here, download it onto our computer, and then we can look at it, modify the program, save it, and download it back to the controller so that it operates the way that we want it to. So it's both a programming mechanism and also troubleshooting, helps you to find problems with the system. This stuff can be really fun. You're playing on computers, you're pulling wire, you're getting to play around with mechanical equipment and see how dampers actuate, and based on your commands, and see what type of things happen when you change temperature set points. They have a lot of different tools they actually end up using.
I already have 2 years in the field, and I enrolled in ABS because I'm already using building automation systems, but I'm looking to continue growing and expanding my knowledge base to make adjustments and further depth to operate the buildings.
From my perspective, and why I'm in this area, is simply because I look at it as a way to cut back on our energy consumption, which helps the environment, which helps the global climate change, and reducing humans' impact on driving that. What we have here is a digital lighting control system. It has what you recognize as normal light switches. The students would work on programming this set of controls for this switch to do various levels of lighting on this particular fixture. And you can rearrange it to do other things. You can set up a schedule through here so it operates anytime you want. You can have it operate just over lunch hour, or you can have it operate from 5 in the morning till 10 at night. You can establish these different schedules that it's available. But more importantly, you establish what the switches can do and also how it integrates with your occupancy sensors and with daylight sensors. Another reason somebody might want to get into this field is because there's a really high demand for it. We have a lot of people graying out right now. In other words, there's a lot of baby boomers who are retiring. It's projected that in the next 5+ years, over half the workforce is going to retire. Somebody can take just 1 year, 2 semesters in a program full time and walk out of the door, even with no prior experience, at minimum $40,000 a year, maybe as high as $50,000 a year. Qualities that make somebody good for this program are curiosity, wanting to use their hands, is good with a computer, and has a curiosity about buildings and how they interact with our experience in them.